In this video, I'll guide you through how to track employee hours in Gusto. Managing employee hours efficiently is crucial for any business, and with Gusto, you can streamline this process with ease. Whether you're handling a small team or a large workforce, tracking hours accurately ensures that everyone is paid correctly and on time. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of Gusto's time tracking features. First, you'll want to log in to your Gusto account. Once you're at the Gusto dashboard, look towards the menu to find the Time and Attendance section. This is your gateway to managing all things related to employee hours. By clicking on this section, you'll enter a world of convenient and precise time tracking tools designed to meet your business needs. Within the Time and Attendance section, you should see an option labeled Time Tracking. Clicking on Time Tracking will open up a comprehensive view of all the time entries for your employees or contractors. This area is where the magic happens, giving you an overview of who's clocking in and out and when. It's a crucial part of ensuring that payroll is accurate and that your team members are accounted for. Once you're in the time tracking section, you can see all the time tracked by your employees or contractors. This feature allows you to easily monitor work hours, breaks, and overtime. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can quickly spot any discrepancies or areas that might need your attention. Having this level of insight is invaluable for maintaining smooth operations and ensuring compliance with labor laws. If you have employees who work remotely or in different locations, Gusto's time tracking makes it simple to keep everything organized. The information is updated in real time, meaning you have up-to-the-minute accuracy at your fingertips. This is particularly handy for businesses with flexible working arrangements or those that need to adapt quickly to changing schedules. Now, let's talk about some tips that can enhance your experience with Gusto's time tracking. First, make sure that all employees are familiar with how to log their hours correctly. This might involve a short training session or providing a guide to using the system. Ensuring everyone is on the same page can prevent errors and save time in the long run. Additionally, regularly reviewing the time tracking data can help you spot trends or issues before they become problems. For instance, if you notice a pattern of consistent overtime, it might be worth investigating further to see if workloads are manageable or if adjustments need to be made. Using Gusto's time tracking effectively also involves keeping communication open with your team. Encourage them to report any issues they encounter with logging hours or discrepancies they notice. This collaborative approach ensures that everyone is engaged in the process and helps maintain accuracy across the board. To wrap up, tracking employee hours in Gusto is a straightforward process that, when done correctly, can greatly enhance your payroll accuracy and administrative efficiency. By following these steps and staying proactive with your time management, you can ensure that your team is always on track and that your business runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to track employee hours in Gusto with confidence and ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy tracking!